Okay, a circle passes through the points, 3 points. The points on the circle, the tangential tangent at which is parallel to the straight line joining the origin in the center. Tangent at which is what? Parallel to the straight line joining the origin to the center. Oh, okay. So like, do you have any? Okay, got it. ठीक है, 3 points दिए, just figure out a circle, right? Yeah. जो भी इसमें चौथा सर्कल रहेगा, I mean तुम्हारा जो सर्कल है like of the form ax square plus bx plus plus cx, okay, y सोच रहे cx plus dy plus e equal to 0, right? तो मैं क्या करने वाला था, राइट? ओके, e equal to 0, राइट? तो ये जो 1 2 3 4 5, ओके, यू नो व्हाट, नो सर्कल है एक्चुअली ऑफ दिस फॉर्म x plus y square. सो ये जो चार अपने वेक्टर्स बनेंगे इसमें, हाँ, यू नो द थिंग, ऑफ कोर्स, जस्ट एक रैंडम पॉइंट ले लो एक्स वाई, एंड या एक्स प्लस वाई स्क्वायर उसके लिए हो जाएगा, इसके लिए फिर एक्स फिर इसके लिए वाई, एंड यहाँ पे 1 आएगा. सो फॉर दैट रैंडम पॉइंट जस्ट हैव दिस थिंग, और क्या है, जस्ट -1 प्लस 1 लाइक जस्ट 2, फिर यहाँ पे 36 एंड 25 का डबल 50, और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, जस्ट x इज -1, फिर यहाँ पे जस्ट c को यहाँ पे 5, देन यहाँ पे पाई के जस्ट 1 6. आई एम थिंकिंग कि शायद से स्लोप्स अलग टाइप से काम करते हो. व्हाट अबाउट, लेट्स वी ट्राई इट आउट. 5 minus 1 is like 4 ओके, सो ये स्लोप 4/6 आएगा, और ये स्लोप के बारे में क्या है, जस्ट 5/1, दैट इज वर्कआउट. और अबाउट इसके अबाउट देखो ना, सो जस्ट राइट. तो एक तो था, क्या स्लोप था अपना, 5/-1, -5 बेसिकली, -5, और ये जो स्लोप है दैट्स जस्ट, okay, so 0,6 is actually the right. मतलब ये जो 2 points है, these are like diametrical because मतलब इसके अबाउट स्लोप क्या है, it's just 6 minus 5 is 1 upon, okay, so -5, so 1 upon -5 है, और इसके अराउंड क्या है, 5/1, yeah. So ये right, this is the, these two are diametrical points. So like क्या हो जाएगा, just x squared like plus 5x, got it कर लो. So just plus 5 minus like 4 plus 4 minus 4x. Wait, ये सब करने की जरूरत क्या है? Yeah, there's no need for doing all this. Just figure out the center, which is just a midpoint, which is 4/2 is yeah, it's going to just 2, and then 6 minus like 3. So 2 3 is the center, and then इसकी, yeah, इसका distance from this sketch is like what, square root of, right? That's what we think. Yeah. So अपना r जो है, that is going to be this thing, square root of 9 plus 4, square root of 13, right? Yeah. So you got the thing. Now you got this thing. अच्छा, अपने क्या चाहिए? Um, what we want is like y upon x is equal to at that point जो भी अपना, yeah. So ये कैसा होना है, x square plus, or like x minus 2 का square basically, x minus 2 का square is y minus 3 का square is equal to 13, right? That's what this will be. तो इसका जो वो रहेगा, क्या बोलते इसको, the tangent equal to 0 वाली जो चीज़ रहेगी, इसमें x minus 2, or I should say x naught minus 2. Okay, ये जो है इसको x naught y naught बोल दो, that particular point of course. Maybe not the best way to be doing, I don't know यार, चलो कर उसको फटाफट, क्या जाता है. So that's the normal, right? So यहाँ पे आएगा वो normal रहेगा, right? And we also, और ये जो चीज़ रहेगी joining that one like x naught comma y naught, that's from there, and you want वहाँ पे tangent is like parallel, so normal is normal to this guy. Okay, this dotted with x naught minus 2 comma x naught minus 3, because okay, sorry, y minus 3, because वो वहाँ पे रहने वाला, right? Well, yeah, I guess that is correct after all, right? Was, I mean, yeah, that is the tangent, right, at that particular point. Or x minus is just on this point, and yeah, this should actually be equal to what, it should be equal to 0. At the same time also, like x naught squared plus y naught squared is equal to, sorry, x naught minus 2 का square plus y naught minus 2 का square is equal to 13. So ये दो equations जिससे के पास सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, I guess. Yeah, right, when dot is just 0, that is the thing. Yes. So what does it mean? X naught square minus 2x naught plus y naught square minus 3y naught, that is equal to 0. So ये जो चीज़ होगी, just what, like x naught squared plus y naught squared minus 4x naught minus 6y naught if 4 or 9 आएगा, this is equal to 0 or something, right? I mean, it passes through 0 comma 0. That is unexpected. Yeah, pretty unexpected. Q ऐसा क्यों हुआ भला? It passes through that, just like 9 and 4. हाँ ठीक है, somehow it happens. So ये 0 0 से पास हो रहा है, and then so this should satisfy both of these equations, right? जो अपना x naught y naught है. Yeah. Uh, मतलब कि क्या, that 2x naught plus 3y naught is equal to 4x naught plus 3y naught. Like what, 2x naught plus 3y naught equal to 0, right? Okay, that's one thing you have. हाँ ठीक है, what do you want? वो पॉइंट कौन सा होगा, ऑफ कोर्स. सो ये एक है, और उसका में ये भी होना चाहिए सिस्टम. जैसे x naught y naught is like of this form, 3r comma 2r. Just put that, देखते क्या होता है. So what do you get, x naught square plus y naught square. Okay, ये तो मर जाएगा ना. तो yeah. Oh shit, ये कैसे हो गया? So it should be 0 comma 0 itself. Wait, what? No, that doesn't actually make any sense. कुछ भी गड़बड़ हो रही है नहीं. This is our normal vector at that particular. Okay, yeah, and this is the vector joining from 0 comma 0 to that point. 0 comma 0 somehow sits on this thing. Okay. Yeah, वहाँ पे normal vector और ये vector. Okay, so that's one solution of this thing, of course. कोई और solution है? So नहीं, because x naught square plus y naught. There's only one solution in fact, that is 0 comma 0. So हाँ, अब क्या? This does not make sense. Wait. That order with this should be 0, right? It's parallel to that guy. The tangent at which are parallel, so like normal, like it's normal to that, of course. What is going wrong? I don't get it. What is going wrong? It's doing with respect to 2 comma 3, वो just x naught minus, yeah, that's gonna be the thing. और फिर वहाँ पे तुम ये कर ले रहे हो, yeah, it's a tangent for that guy. I don't get it. What's going wrong? कुछ मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ कि I don't know. So अपना जो सर्कल का इक्वेशन है, just this thing, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y equal to, oh, so तुम्हारा 0 0. Okay, perpendicular नहीं चाहिए. We want this to be what? Yeah, okay. It's different. It's not like that. ठीक है. So ये जो है 4 comma 6 is just the other point. ये तुम्हारा 0 comma 0 यहाँ पर है. You just have 2 comma 3 somewhere भी यहाँ पे, and then there is a circle passing through this thing. And then what you want is कि यहाँ पे का कोई भी ऐसे like tangent इसके साथ में आ जाए. How does that actually happen? क्योंकि normal vector perpendicular to this thing. That's like तुम्हें ये जो है, that is, this vector should be perpendicular. Because that's like, okay, the normal vector is just this thing, and that is perpendicular to this guy. So उसके बीच में अपने का एंगल 90 डिग्री चाहिए रहेगा. When does that actually happen? उसके बीच में 90 डिग्री, और that's like अगर ये डायमीटर जैसा है, but that would mean ये एक ही पॉइंट है जो कि 0 0 है. हाँ, राइट. राइट, यही होता है. सो इट्स पासिंग थ्रू 0 0 which means कि right, okay, we got the thing. This is 2 comma 3, right? Yeah, 2 comma 3, and from S like 3 comma 2 is that vector in, yeah, so radius of the, it just happens to be that. Okay, 2 surface वो cancel हो गया, right? So 0 comma 0, and then yes, this is the thing. So 0 comma 0 is the only point. तुम्हें जो भी इसमें आंसर मिलेगा, that is actually incorrect. इसको ड्रॉ कर देखो ना, ऐसा होगा. नेक्स्ट, अगर सबको स्टार्ट में ये नहीं, सही तो है यार, सही तो है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 167, right? Yeah, it's got to be correct. Next, okay, a tangent to this ellipse at a point P meets the line plus minus 5, okay, at the point x equal to plus 5 at the points Q and R. Then a circle whose extremities of diameter R and Q is passing through a fixed point whose coordinates are. I know. It passes with the focus, right? Yeah, it always passes with the focus. So focus क्या होगा इसमें, just -3,0 and 3,0. So A and B. Next, 168. All right, cool. Next, sin inverse of x का square plus sin inverse of y का square plus you know the thing, pi square upon 4 is the maximum value, 3 times of that. Sin के सारे just must be 1, x equal to y equal to z or -1. So the value of x minus y plus z can be right. So maximum कब रहेगा, जब ये सारे सारे 1 हो जाएगा, like 3, और minimum is when it is like I don't know, तीनों की तीनों -1 हो सकता है, -3 हो सकता है, 3 हो सकता है. So C and D are correct, and 1, yes, it can be 1 minus 1 plus 1 works out. Can be -1, so negative कर दिया. Yes, so A, B, C, E. Next, 169. Okay, this integration is equal to, so cosine x will be sort of cosine of 2x है. Okay, uh, of 2x you are saying secant square x. I got it, got it, got it. It's like this thing square root of 2c minus 1. यहाँ पे c आ रहा है dx. You know what? Just take a c out. यहाँ पे तुम्हें secant square x मिलेगा, secant square x dx square root of, or just say, you know, you can write like this thing sort of c minus s squared. So फिर तुम c square बाहर निकालो, just minus tan square of x. कितने हमने c बोला? Okay, it's like dt upon square root of minus t squared. Okay, इसका integration which is like what? ये आपने देखा है ना, just sin inverse of t का derivative है ये चीज, just sin inverse of t, of course. Yeah, sin inverse of tan of x, of course, right? And then plus some kind of constant, which is a, which is like cot inverse of sort of cosine of 2x. Is this thing the same thing as like, अच्छा इसका tan value क्या रहने वाली है? So tan x, right? Like this thing is tan x over there, जो भी sin inverse है, just 1, and you can have square root of cot inverse का तो चाहिए, weird, whatever. So this is still weird. Cot inverse you are saying. You see, this is just equal to a cosine value. Okay, so then cot में क्या रहेगा? Just square root of minus tan cot. Okay, tan is like ये चीज upon c square, और फिर यहाँ पे tan है just you know s आ जाएगा सकते हैं. Yeah, so cosine of 2x upon sin x. Well, yeah, so B is also correct. और क्या है cosine inverse of tan x? No. Negative sin inverse of tan x? No. Next. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the thing. Next question. 160, sorry, 170, right? If ABC are in HP, then these are in HP. Okay, ABC HP में, right? Like 1 upon A, 1 upon B, 1 upon C, basically in AP. तो ये जो चीज रहेगी उसका क्या बोलेंगे? These are in HP. That's like the same thing as saying कि A, okay, B plus C minus A was upon A, right? Okay, got -1 आएगा, वो तो गया, just B plus A upon A plus A फिर -2. Yeah, you get the thing. It's just right. So it's like saying कि B plus C plus, okay, yeah. So A is correct. These are in fact in HP. Okay, और क्या है? 2 upon B equal to B. Okay, so it's like what you're saying is कि right. So 1 upon B minus A, and okay, these are actually got it. Not exactly. Is this correct? I don't think so. 1 upon minus A, so 1 upon minus C. ठीक है ना, करके देखते हैं यार. 2b कैपिटल B just 1 upon B by the way, upon like 1 upon B minus 1 upon A आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, and then plus 1 upon just what else you could just A plus turns out ये जो this common difference दे रहा है, yeah just B plus so beta, okay, just 2b squared. Interesting. यहाँ पे subtraction चाहिए, then it would maybe work. Oh, it's A minus, okay, it's difference. Okay, it's already subtraction की है ये. So, you know, B times of A minus C in that case. तो ये like 2 times रहेगा, ये just 1 times, which means कि यहाँ पे just 2B है. Yeah, it actually works out. So B is also correct. और क्या है? A minus B upon 2. Okay, these are in GP. क्या है? Okay, interesting. इसका square is like 1 upon 2b का square, it's like 1 upon 4b square. That is equal to 1 upon a minus, no, just 1 upon 2b times 1 upon a minus c minus 1 upon 2b, right? Which is like what? 1 upon 4b ka square minus 1 upon a plus 1 upon c times 1 upon 2b plus 1 upon 4b का square. Now turns out कि ये जो चीज़ है जो c plus a ऊपर 2b आने वाला है नीचे 2b आ रहा है कैंसिल हो गया 1 upon ac, right? Yes. I don't think these are in. Yeah, okay, मुझे तो नहीं लग रहा है ऐसा. Oh, okay, okay. और ये क्या था? यहाँ पे just plus 1 upon ac आ गया, okay. That explains it. ये गया. Yes, these are correct. So okay, C is correct. और क्या है? These are in HP. लाइक उसको उल्टा करो b प्लस सी अपॉन ए वगैरह वो सब ए भी मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ बेसिकली. हाँ है. सो डी इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 171. Let f of x be equal to this thing sin of mod of sin of x plus cosine of x. So the following is or are true. f of 3 is equal to pi x. What's f of 3 going to do? पहले तो वो भूल जाओ. x is neither even nor odd. नेगेटिव में इसमें पुट करोगे लाइक नेगेटिव साइन. हाँ वो इवन है. f of x is even. ऐसा कैसे बोल सकते हो कि neither even nor odd? That's just stupid. Okay, f of x is periodic with fundamental period of 2 pi. I don't think so fundamental period 2 pi है because like okay maybe है because this has to work, right? So cosine of cosine x, right? Okay, yeah, that's correct. So it is periodic but not, yeah, with the fundamental period 2 pi as well because yeah. Okay, so B is correct because pi can't be the period, right? अगर हम पाई प्लस एक्स को तो ये काम कर जाएगा बट कोसाइन इनवर्स ऑफ नेगेटिव आएगा इसमें व्हिच मेक्स नो सेंस. सो या दैट कांट बी द थिंग. सो ठीक है ना. सो बी इज करेक्ट और ए का निकाल सकते हैं एफ ऑफ 3 साइन इनवर्स ऑफ साइन ऑफ 3 3 इज ओके तो ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल है फाइन. साइन इनवर्स ऑफ ब्रैकेट्स पाई माइनस 3 आएगा पहले तो एंड देन दिस थिंग इज व्हाट जस्ट 3 इटसेल्फ. ओके कूल. और आप जस्ट पाई एंड देन उसमें पुट करो जस्ट साइन ऑफ पाई इज then 0 of course 0 plus cosine inverse of -1 which is like just pi of course. So yeah, pi. So A is correct, B is also correct, C is not correct. Range of is 0 to 2 pi. Sine of x, not of sin x. Like cosine x over there. Okay, what if you just put, okay, think about it, mod में है ना ये. Okay, cosine of x over there. X is like all kind of real numbers and whatnot. But ऐसा कोई set ढूंढो जहाँ पे सारे real numbers काम आ जैसे 0 to 2 pi, right? 0 to 2 pi. That's when this happens. So 0 to 2 pi वाले सेट पर क्या कर सकते हैं? You know what? Okay, नहीं. pi to 2 pi वाला जो सेट रहेगा उसमें सिर्फ cosine के वापस रिपीटेशन आ रहे हैं और ये भी रिपीट हो रहा है because yeah. तो जो 0 to pi देखते हैं. So 0 to pi upon 2 में क्या होगा? I mean, okay, both ये चीज़ तो हमेशा x ही जा रही है. X is 0 to pi and then sin of mod of sin x. But so this is x if 0 to pi में है just 2x. अब मुझे ये रेंज सो स्टार्ट करता हूँ तुम 0 से और एट pi upon is like 2 pi, okay, and then union so you can just x यहाँ पे एंड देन फिर अगर ये pi upon से बड़ा है देन ये जो चीज़ होगी दिस विल बी द सेम. मीन मॉड हटा दो यार क्या फर्क पड़ता है. सो जस्ट sin ऑफ sin x and that will be like pi minus x basically because वो pi से बड़ा है just yeah plus pi minus x which happens to be just pi. So union pi mean set of course is एक ही है 0 to 2 pi of course. So D is correct. It must be right. Yeah, it has to be. So ठीक है ना फिर. Solution of this thing x y dash का square plus 1 minus x होगी जो ये passing through 1, 2 maybe. Why is this so bad? It's like okay x y go to the break and I get it. क्या जगह x times of y dash or just say x y dash common x y dash minus 1 because वो just yeah plus y times of y dash minus 1 equal to 0. So either y dash equal to 1 or just x y dash plus y is equal to 0, which would mean कि the derivative of xy is equal to 0 मतलब कि क्या xy some kind of constant, that's one thing, or just have ये चीज मतलब कि y is something like x plus c, ये दो चीजें हो सकती है. ओके सो इट्स पासिंग थ्रू 1,2. राइट, तो ये कंबाइंड इनका जो यूनियन रहेगा दैट्स द थिंग. सो लाइक एक्स वाई इक्वल टू 2 एंड ओके ये वाली चीज रहेगी और यहाँ पे जस्ट 1,2 इज लाइक c should be 1, just y equal to x plus 1. Okay, cool. Solution of this guy. Yeah, this is the thing. So either x y equal to 2, right? So B looks correct, or y equal to x plus 1, which means key D. So B and D look correct. So इसमें x, okay, y means x square. It's kind of weird. ये कैसे भी करके ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. This is like these are different hyperbola. How? No. Okay, that doesn't make any sense. इसमें कोई कॉमन नहीं होगा ना पॉइंट. Yeah. मुझे लगा था तुम मल्टीप्लाई वगैरह करोगे एंड समथिंग लाइक दैट, बट नहीं, वो तुम नहीं करो. 173. Sum of the first 10 terms of an AP is equal to 155. Sum of the first 10 what? Okay, two terms of a GP is 9. If the first term of the AP is equal to common ratio of the GP, then the first term is of the GP is equal to common difference of the AP. Okay, interesting. So अपना जो AP है, just like start का अगर A है, then just फिर difference है, right? Okay. और जो GP है ना, just say कि ये चीज B है, then it's like यहाँ पे A plus B आएगा, यहाँ पे B A आएगा, and then यहाँ पे A plus 2B and so on, right? So yeah, just keep on going. And then just B A square. तो actually sum of the first 10 terms is 155, of course. So like 1B, 2B to 9B, of course. Like 9 times of 10 upon 2 is like 45B plus 10A. That is equal to 155 divided by 5. Just get 9B plus 5 shit plus 2A is equal to say 1. Okay. और यहाँ पे क्या है और first one of the GB is equal to the common difference of the AP. Yeah, मैंने लिया था. Then बस इतना ही दिया है, इतना ही दिया है बस. हाँ, wait, कुछ और तो दिया होगा ना. Oh हाँ, the sum of the first two terms of GP is 9. So like B times of A plus 1 equal to 9. जो भी है. Got it. So now what multiplies by B, I guess, right? Just becomes what, 9B squared plus 2AB. But then what is AB is just 9 minus B, right? Yeah. Equal to 31B. I guess that makes sense. So you guys are 9B squared plus 18 minus 2B equal to 31B. So 9B squared minus 33, because yeah, 33B plus 18 equal to 0. It's like 3B squared minus 11B plus 6 equal to 0. So 3 times 6 is 18. 18 can equal to 9 and 2. 9 and 2, of course. 3B squared minus 9B minus 2B plus 6 equal to 0. So just 3B minus 2 times B minus 3 equal to 0. So like B equal to 3 or 2/3. Okay, so first of the GP is 2/3 or 3. Yeah, A works. Okay, so B की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है? B की वैल्यू आ रही है 3, 2/3. Then उसके corresponding में A की वैल्यू क्या मिलती है? Just A क्या है? Just 31 minus 9B upon 2, right? Okay, like then 31 minus कितना? 27, which is 5 upon 2. Okay, और क्या है? Suppose B ये चीज़ है, just 6 रहेगा, right? Yeah, which is 25 upon 2. Okay, cool. So yeah, right, got it. First term of the GP is okay, whatever. First term of the AP is 5 upon 2 comma 25 upon 2. Okay, that's not correct. Common difference, sorry, common ratio of the GP, which is just A basically. अबे सिर्फ 2 कैसा है इनका? Wait, something's wrong. Missing something. 27, right? 30 minus 27 is just what? 4. Oh shit. Oh shit. That is 4. So 4 upon is like 2. Not this thing. It's 2 comma 25 upon 2. Got it. So common ratio of the JP is this thing. Yes. Common difference of the AP is, yeah, मतलब देखिए A, C, D. 174. Actually 4 is okay. If f(x) equal to this thing, then should the following statements holds. Good. Okay. Sin inverse of x, cosine inverse of x, sin tan inverse. चलते जाओ. Graph of y equal to fx does not lie about the axis. हाँ साइन ऑफ एक्स है तो कभी ना कभी वेट ओके इसकी डोमेन क्या है सो साइन ऑफ एक्स है एंड सिमिलरली इस बार से कोसेक इनवर्स ऑफ एक्स है राइट ओह गॉड इट्स ओनली वन थिंग दैट्स गोना वर्क so x can be only one or negative one otherwise yeah got it so जब one होगा इसकी डोमेन देखो of course when it's one just get this thing pi upon 2 and then 0 oh god तो मर गया and it's negative 1 something might happen okay so either it's 0 it's like domain क्या है just 1 and 0 sorry 1 and negative 1 and इसकी जो range है that's what correspondingly इसमें 0 आएगा जब ये 1 है and then जब ये negative 1 है just you know negative pi upon 2 then cosine is just pi so tan में just negative pi upon 4 because yeah cot inverse में 3 pi upon 4 secant inverse में भी just you know pi and then यहाँ पे negative pi upon 2 इसमें कितने पाई आ रहे हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 लाइक पाई पावर 6 ये नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव हो जाएंगे whatever एक नेगेटिव बच रहा है स्टिल यहाँ पे क्या कह रहा है जस्ट यू नो 3 because of that upon 2 times of 4 times of 4 times of क्या है 2 so like what 4 times of 16 64 so negative 3 upon 64 by power 6 got it right so हाँ ठीक है ना so you know negative third 3 upon 64 by power 6 हाँ तो this graph does not lie about the x-axis yes okay the function y equal to x is not injective well it is in this case it is uh okay number of non-negative अब देखिए ये holds good right so a तो holds good right yes a holds good okay the non-negative difference between maximum and minimum values of the function y equal to x is 3 pi power 6 yeah it is right so b is correct function okay is not injective it is injective number of non-negative integers in the domain of f is 2 integers integers are you serious okay 0 है इसमें wait yeah domain not the range okay that is 2 yes wait non-negative 1 next question 175 let the solution of this differential equation ये कर्व यार ये पहले भी हुआ है ना यही सेम चीज whatever just put y equal to you know हाँ करना ही पड़ेगा कभी just you know put y is equal to x times of f what you get just f plus x f dash that is equal to or like plus ये सारी चीजें like 5 plus 2 uh, 5 plus 2 f cube plus 3f square upon 5f power 4 okay plus 2f just f okay and then plus 3f squared got it this will be ठीक है ना this go to 0 just do the thing यार ये कितना घटिया दिख रहा है so इसको उधर भेजो just equal to negative x f dash let's see simplify करेंगे try करते हैं this plus f is like what it's just 5f power 5 plus you know 2f squared plus 3f cubed plus 2f cubed plus 3f squared plus 5 which is like 5f power 5 plus 5f I get it just 5 common ले लो ना 5 common is just f power 5 yeah 5 से start हो रहा है then what plus f cube फिर plus f squared फिर plus 1 got it and then upon ये सब 5f power 4 plus 3f squared plus 2f that is equal to negative xf dash so you get negative 5 upon x is equal to ये डेरिवेटिव इस चीज का ऊपर गया नेचुरल लॉग वी गेट द थिंग नेचुरल लॉग मैं इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे राइट इसका इंटीग्रेशन करके क्या होगा जस्ट यू नो नेगेटिव 5 नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ x plus some constant whatever that's equal to natural log of ये सब which is just f power 5 plus f power 3 plus f power 2 plus 1 got it so some constant is equal to natural log of x power 5 okay natural log of what just you know x power 5 plus Oh shit, no. Y power 5 plus y cube x squared plus, yeah, whatever. अपने करना क्या है? Passing through 0, 0, right? Some kind of constant. अपन ऐसे तो हटा देंगे. You know the thing, I know वैसा होता है, but then still not good. ठीक है ना? Just put f equal to y upon x, and then this becomes this thing, f power 5 plus f power 3 plus, right, whatever. Then c equal to 0 is a homogeneous equation in x comma y. Yes, A is correct. So हटा दो in fact. I mean, like, this is like assuming x is not equal to 0. जब x 0 है, then you know it's just 0, of course. So A is correct. और क्या है? See, with a single straight line. No, it doesn't. Equation of region bounded by c equal to 0, x equal to 2x, and y equal to 3 is 2 unit square. Wait, क्या आप इसको factorize कर सकते हैं? I don't think so. Okay, maybe I should try it out. Who knows? F cube plus 1 times f square plus 1. I know, अजीब है, but then okay, it's going to 0. ये तो 0 हो नहीं सकता because you know, yeah. तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? X cube plus 1 is equal to, okay, like x cube plus y cube is equal to 0. So like y cube equal to negative x cube. That means y equal to negative x. Oh shit. So it is a string. It is a single straight line. Okay, so somehow B is correct. मैंने मैंने सोचा नहीं था. Oh wait, it's not. Wait, it is 0 actually. वो constant 0 था. We just got that right. Yeah. Okay. ठीक है. Area of region bounded by c equal to 0, x equal to 2, and y equal to 0 is 2 units square. Okay, c equal to 0 is just, you know, x plus y equal to 0, like y equal to 0x. X equal to 2, x equal to somewhere there, and then y equal to 0, which is just this line. तो ये चीज, right? ये 2 है, ये 2 होगा, this area, just, you know, 2, right? Yeah, so C is also correct. और क्या है? स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट. सो अज्यूमिंग एक्स वाई रियल नंबर्स है ये तुम, ओके, ठीक है, अजीब है. स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट टू सी इक्वल टू 0 एट 1, 1 is 2. Wait, did I mess up somewhere? Okay, nahi. No, this is in fact correct. Okay. और क्या? स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट एट 2c equal to 0 एट 1, 1 is 2. No, टेंजेंट इसको कौन सी लाइन है यार? सिंगल. नेक्स्ट 176. In the quadratic equation, this equation have exactly one common root, then the following is correct. Okay, these two have exactly one common root, so the following is correct. हाँ, अब ये पहले भी हुआ है. Yeah, okay, just reciprocal of this guy, right? Because C फिर B फिर A, yeah, okay, cool. So, right, ये जो equation है, इसकी जो, इसमें अल्फा बीटा, इसमें 1 upon alpha बीटा, अल्फा बीटा 1 upon alpha बीटा, इसको तो भी एक मैचअप करना चाहिए. So either we just have alpha equal to 1 upon alpha squared equal to 1, right? Which would mean कि, wait, what was I gonna do? Yeah, alpha squared equal to 1. It's like, okay, so that's one possibility. Or you could also have like alpha equal to 1, like alpha beta equal to 1, which would mean that A and C are the same. तो फिर दोनों इक्वेशन सेम ही हो गए. तो हाँ, that cannot happen. So alpha squared equal to 1, that's the only way. But इसका मतलब है कि alpha equal to 1 or -1. Okay, cool. So either A plus B plus C equal to 0 or A minus B plus equal to 0. So yeah, and D. Guess yeah. Right. I mean, what's the big deal? Next question. 170, 177. Okay. If x, y, z are positive numbers in AP, then x, okay, AP. Oh, so what is it like 2y equal to x plus z as its property? Positive numbers as well. Okay, so y square is bigger than xz. Okay, it's like it's bigger than or equal to what square root of xz. So yes, y is, sorry, y square is bigger than or equal to xz. So A is correct. Or क्या है? Y is, okay, that's not correct. What is this? X plus y upon 2 minus z. 2 is just x plus z, right? तो ये just basically ऐसा होगा, x plus y upon z plus y plus z upon x is bigger than or equal to 2. Okay, very interesting. Wait, isn't that the same thing as asking कि अच्छा तो इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 2x plus right? 3x plus y, shit, not y. Okay, plus the 3z plus x upon 2. This thing is bigger than or equal to 2, right? Got it. It's like, okay, समझ रहा हूँ. Oh, it's not just 2, it's actually just 4 over there. So like 3x plus z upon 4, then you got 3z plus, समझ रहा हूँ, समझ रहा हूँ. Oh, upon क्या था? Upon z, upon x. Interesting. 2 से multiply, you just got this thing, of course. So upon 4, interesting, yeah. So like just upon z, फिर upon x. देखा से भी लग रहा है, I don't know. It's like a weighted AMGM something. Yeah, probably. You know what? There's a better way than this thing. There is a much better way, which is just do this thing 3x upon z plus 3z upon x. So yeah, it's just z, which means x upon z plus z upon x is greater than or equal to 2 upon 3. But I mean, that is sure, that happens. That just happens. I believe this is correct. Yeah, it must be. Each is already bigger than or equal to 2 here, so this is of course bigger than 2 upon 3. So yes, this is correct. And what about 4? If it's bigger than 4, then yeah, it should basically done, right? Yeah. So once again, the same stuff, यहाँ पे 2y वगैरह किसी पे just 8 आ जाएगा, right? But yeah. So just 2y is like x plus z, and then you get the thing, it's just 3x plus z upon z. Yes. फिर इसको split किया, this is just 2 फिर वो उधर गया, just like what? 3 times of a cheese is bigger than or equal to 6. Yeah, just 6 हो जाएगा, बस like 2 मर गया. Yeah, so in fact it's also correct. So C is correct, D is correct, and A is correct. Next question. 178. Okay, if PQRS are in AP and FX will be this thing such that integration of f of x is equal to negative function. Common difference of AP can be ये AP में है, fx is equal to this thing such that integration from 0 to 2 of x is equal to negative 4. Okay, क्या ये PQR फिर यहाँ पे QRS? Not good. Sin x हर जगह पे है ना? That vector. Subtract करना start करो और क्या कर सकते हो? Let's see. So इसमें क्या जाएगा? P plus sin x and then फिर Q plus sin x फिर R plus sin x. Okay, तो Q minus P is just the difference. फिर यहाँ पे just R minus Q is also the difference. And then S minus R is also just the difference. फिर यहाँ पे subtract किया वो P मर गया just negative R. Okay. Subtract किया just यहाँ पे negative 1 negative Q आ जाएगा I guess. Right. Subtract किया just S minus Q minus R it seems. हाँ. Okay. S minus Q कितना है यार? S minus Q is just 2 times the difference. Okay. And 2d minus R. Okay, what's R minus 2d? That's just P. So it's like, this is just negative P basically. Isn't that right? Yeah, because like, of course, like S minus 2 minus R is equal to negative P, right? Because like P plus S equal to 3 plus R, right? Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Cool. Just negative P यहाँ पे. And this we kind of don't know, but जो भी है. We'll figure out someday. So फिर चलो let's try to. अच्छा ये तो 1 1 1 हो जाएगा. Awesome. तो ये sin x पूरा मर गया. हाँ. Yeah, just D यहाँ पे 1 1 1 आ गया. Got it. Unless of course D 0 है, that would mean कि, and that's not in the options, तो फिर वो नहीं हो सकता, right? Okay. See like what D फिर ये 1 1 1 है. ये नेगेटिव भी बाहर निकालो, just negative D. PQR 1 1 1, then R 1 plus Q and P. Interesting. Whatever. देखा से लग रहा है नहीं negative D. Oh, you making it go up or something, right? Yeah. I know तुम क्या कर रहे हो. उसको वापस छोड़ो. It means like this thing. मैं okay. First of all, तो cycle करना चाहता हूँ. This is negative D R 1 plus Q P then PQR 1 1 1, right? But yeah. So अच्छा ये इस पे Q कॉमन है. Okay, that's not going to work so easily. Yeah, it's not going to work so easily, unfortunately. ठीक है ना, we can make this happen. It's like negative t PQR 111, subtract that from there, just get what? R minus P. Okay, फिर यहाँ पे just 1 आ जाएगा. And then this thing is what? uh, P minus R. Okay, that was unexpected. This cannot be made common though, that's kind of problematic. Yeah, that is problematic. You can just add these up, right? One thing you can do is that you can just add it up. Just have a P plus R आ जाएगा and then ये बन गया. Yeah, it's not proceeding any further. यहाँ पे जीरो नहीं हो रहा है ना. अगर यहाँ पे जीरो होता है तो actually made sense, but then it's not there. ठीक है. Split this, right? Split this into two. So negative t पहला रहेगा just PQR, फिर इसमें 111, फिर R minus P कॉमन ले लो just. I guess at this point we should just actually figure out ये क्या है, right? Yes. Instead of calculating further. So R1 plus Q, then P. या फिर just split this. So like वो पॉजिटिविटी कर दो यहाँ पे, पॉजिटिविटी PQR just. स्टिल अभी भी लग रहा है कि मैं कुछ ना कुछ कर पाऊंगा, बट देन ओ आई नो क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें, बिकॉज वो डिफरेंस वाली चीज अपन वापस कर सकते हैं, राइट? यस, नेगेटिव टी सबट्रैक्ट करो उसको. ऑसम. या देन व्हाट विल दिस बी? इज दिस गोइंग टू बी व्हाट? राइट, व्हाटएवर, देखते हैं ना क्या होता है. सो इसको यूज करते हैं ना, P1R, फिर यहाँ पे सबट्रैक्ट जीरो ओवर दे, फिर यहाँ पे जस्ट Q. ओके, then interesting. What's Q minus P? Q minus P is just what? It's just D. ऐसे अपने को पहले ये यूज करना चाहिए था. Yes, should have used that first. तो पहले इसको ऐसे ही रखो. So have this thing Q1 1 plus P. इसको subtract करो from that. So R minus Q is just D. यहाँ पे जीरो आ जाएगा. वो वन अभी भी है ही अटका हुआ, नहीं? अगर बस वो वन नहीं होता तो just made everything so much better, right? That is there, of course. ठीक है, whatever, just deal with it. Negative 1 and then P minus Q is just what? Negative D. Okay, got it. Okay, and then subtract this guy. So just यहाँ पे D आएगा, यहाँ पे जीरो आएगा, and यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? It's just Q minus R आएगा ना यहाँ पे. वैसे पे 1 plus P था, sorry Q था, so just Q minus R. Q minus R is negative P, just 1 minus D over there. Got it. So yeah, it's specifically this thing. So यहाँ पे negative use that like T, just this determinant, just T 1 minus D, negative 1 negative D. Just like what? D square, ये determinant 1 minus D, 1 negative 1 negative D. ये तो मर गया. Just basically this thing, which is like what? D square times negative 1 negative 1. So negative 2D square is what this thing is. So negative 2D square का integration, which is like what? Just take times of 2, of course. So negative 4. So D square is equal to 1. D can be 1 or negative 1. So A and C. Next question. Okay, next 179. Which is that A be equal to this thing and B equal to this thing. There are 2 points on the x-axis. Okay, a point M is lying moving in the xy plane such a way that angle MBA equal to 2 times of angle MAB. MBA. Okay, wait, what? AB angle MBA. MBA triangle. This thing is 2 times the angle MAB. MAB is just this thing. Like this is theta. This thing is 2 theta. That's what I'm saying, right? Okay. Weird. Now what? Okay, my angle समझ रहे. The point M moves with a conic whose this is weird, right? Unless कुछ और इसमें करता हूँ, then like split this or oh, angle bisector of this guy, right? Yeah. So ये ऐसा हो जाए कि A B है यहाँ पे, तो इसको ऐसे split करो. This thing is theta, this thing is theta. ये दोनों same length हो गए. And then there's this theta, और ये just angle bisector of that. We got it. तो फिर यहाँ पे M रहेगा. तो ये जो पॉइंट है, दिस इज लाइक जस्ट ऑन परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ दिस गाय. ओके, वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. एंड ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज जस्ट एक्सटेंड दिस and then reflect this or something, I guess so. So the angle theta, this angle is also theta, right? Because wait, is that theta? No, wait, no, it's not theta necessarily. It's just not going to work. Right, MBA just two times, huh? Yeah, that's what I did. So ये theta is theta, ये 90 पे आ जाएगा, just like this. Okay, that's theta. Now how do I make anything out of it? So when M moves in a conic, uh, that's just theta over there. It's like an angle bisector of this thing. That is also just an angle bisector because ये दोनों same हो गया ना. Shit, think about it. Like okay, it's extended basically. यहाँ पे जो भी पॉइंट है तुमने इसको एक्सटेंड किया एंड देन इसको तुमने रिफ्लेक्ट कर दिया, राइट? या दैट्स ऑल इट्स हैपनिंग. ठीक है ना? So this is a negative 1, 0 is like negative 2, 0. So first of all let's actually figure out कि किस टाइप का कॉनिक है. So for this I just say like ये ओरिजिन रखते फॉर नाउ. It's like नेगेटिव, इसको मैं नेगेटिव a, 0 बोलता हूँ, इसको मैं a, 0 बोलता हूँ. आई नो a ऑलरेडी यूज्ड हो गया है बट देन व्हाटएवर. सो देन ये जो चीज़ है इट्स कॉल्ड लाइक 0, h और या व्हाटएवर. देन ये जो पॉइंट रहेगा एक्सटेंडेड है ऑन दिस गाय, इसको मैं एक्स वाई बोल रहा हूँ. व्हाट यू जस्ट हैव, I guess that's not the best way to do it. Perpendicular bisector, or you could just be doing the usual slope stuff, right? Okay, मतलब ये उतना ही बुरा है जितना वो स्लोप स्टफ है. सो या एम को एक्स वाई बोल दो. एम ए बी क्या, ओके एम ए एम क्या होगा, जस्ट वाई अपॉन एक्स प्लस 1 एंड देन एम कितना, दैट स्लोप, राइट? सो एम बी ए बी एन, सॉरी, दैट जस्ट व्हाट वाई अपॉन एक्स माइनस 2 which happens to be negative tan of 2 theta. This is like tan of theta, just yeah. It's like what, negative 2t, so just negative 2 times of this thing, y upon x plus 1. ओके ये ऐसा होगा, y कैंसिल हो जाएगा या फिर y इक्वल टू 0 कर दो. ओके, अदरवाइज जस्ट हैव दिस थिंग 1 upon x plus 2 is equal to, oh then I should have just, okay interesting, जो ये this is equal to what, this is equal to negative 2 times of x plus 1 upon x plus 1 का square minus y square. Very weird. It's like x plus 1 का square minus y square is and then plus 2, okay, plus 2x minus 4 times x plus 1 equal to 0. So like what, y square is just equal to x plus 1 times the addition, which is just sorry. Okay, this is the thing. So ये अपना right, which is like y square minus 3x square to negative 3, or just divide by negative 3, like you get x square minus y squared upon 3 is equal to 1. Here you go, focus. Okay, so just hyperbola. So center के थ्रू पास करने वाला hyperbola somehow हो गया ऐसा. I don't know. This should not happen, I guess. जो भी है, this did happen. So foci are plus minus of 0, I mean, okay, it's like b square, right? Foci के लिए क्या करते हैं, just a is equal to b plus f square is like focal length. So a minus b कितना होगा इस केस में, a and b is just negative 3, a is 1, so 1 plus 3 in this case. Okay, 1 plus equal to f square, like f equal to plus 102. Okay, got it. So d is correct. और क्या, just ignore the direct. Okay, it's like 2b square, just 2 times of 3 upon a is just 1, 6. Yes, so b is also correct. Is c correct? Direct is 2x equal to plus minus 1. Okay, so like a क्या is, no, wait, a upon e, right? Oh, yeah. So a was just 1, so like this is just equal to e itself. Eccentricity is just 4, right? So a upon e is just, was that the thing or not? Oh yeah, f square, sorry. Okay, so f is 2. Okay, got it. Eccentricity is just 2, right? So a upon e मतलब कि 1 upon 2. Yeah, okay, so yeah, that's right actually. Okay, it's just 1 upon 2, so like 12 equal to 7. Yes, so C is in fact correct. और क्या है? और कुछ दिया है इसमें? A sentence is 1 upon 2. No, it's 2, not 1 upon 2. Next question. 180. Line L1, okay, tangent to the same circle. If okay, दो lines दी है, they are the point of contact of L1, the circle is this thing, then uh, into the same circle you are seeing. ठीक है, you gave us a point of contact which we figure out कि वो distance कितना रहने वाला है. Wait, तुम्हारा slope same क्यों है? Oh, okay, 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 समझा, समझा. Yes. Okay, center of the circle is this thing. Center of the circle area चाहिए अपने को. Point of contact of L2. Got it. So this thing is the first one, like x minus 2 y plus 6 blah 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 equal to 0. L1 का क्या 2 -2. Yeah, works out. यहाँ से परपेंडिकुलर जा रहे हो with the normal vector 1 -2. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या है? -2, right? और ये इंक्रीज हो रहा है कि डिक्रीज हो रहा है? आई थिंक इट वाज -6, अभी 9 हो गया. सो यूर मूविंग अलोंग दैट वेक्टर ऑफ कोर्स. सो ये जो है, या ओके गॉट इट. Right. So, R upon all of this, yeah, it's square root of 3. You have to move along that to get to this point. Okay. और ये चीज क्या है? X minus 2y is equal to 9. Okay, cool. So था -2, plus अगर तुम दो R आगे चले तो 2R, like this thing, R जो भी है 2R times 1 -2 also 3, right? ये जो चीज है, that puts you on this line. So इसका dot with 1 -2, right? This dotted with 1 -2, that's just equal to 9 basically. What's what I was saying. So yeah, ठीक है, just -2, -4, which is -6. Okay, हर जगह पे 2 तो दिख ही रहा है मुझे, ठीक है ना, whatever. यहाँ पे जैसे आ जाएगा 3, sort of 3, shit, sort of 5 चाहिए यहाँ पे. Almost right. यहाँ पे लाइन क्या थी? This thing, yes. So 1 -2 just that. 5, like if it's 10 आएगा ना, yeah, it's plus 10. Wait, ये तो -6 यहाँ पे था. Plus 10. Oh no, it's just 5 square of 2 square of 5 r, that is equal to 9. मतलब कि 2 square of 5 r is equal to 15. So r is equal to 3 upon 2 square of 5. Oh, sorry, 3 upon 2 times square of 5, of course. Yes. So more like r upon square root of 5 is equal to 3 upon 2. Okay, got it. तो अपने ये 2 पॉइंट्स अपन निकाल सकते हैं. एंड ओके, ये इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन है. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन. सो इट्स लाइक ये जो वेक्टर होगा, व्हाट इज दैट? 3 upon 2 times this thing, which is just 3 upon 2 comma -3 added to that. So -4 is -1 upon 2 in that case. Then ये जो चीज है -1 upon 2 comma -1, that is the center of the circle. So B is correct. And this is 3 upon 2. Well, it's just a 3 square root of 5. Oh, okay, so it's just 3. So 3 times of this, it's like -2 comma 2, and then right, plus 2 times of this is -1 comma 2. तुमने इसमें just add कर दिया, right? Exactly. So this will be what? -3 comma 4 or not? Wait, did I mess up somewhere? Oh, ये चीज है, not this thing. That's the one that you should be adding, right? 1 comma -2. Okay, just 3 -6, right? Add it to this guy, just 1. सही से कर रहा हूँ कि नहीं मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. Probably सही है, because yeah, then it's -5. So it should -4. It should be this thing, 1 comma -4. So the point of contact is 1 comma -4, not this basically. Yeah, yes, that's correct. Yes, it's just 1 comma -4. So not -5 comma -7, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. Because we just got it to be you know. Yeah. Yes, yes, that is correct. That has to be correct. Okay, और क्या है? Okay, center of circle को समझ गया. What is the area? So R is just this thing, pi times R squared is like 9 upon 4 times 5. Like 45 upon 4. Yeah, so C is correct. Next question. 21. Final question. Set contains 5 elements if number of ways to construct 3 subsets of this set with replacement is n. Number of which the following is correct. 5 elements, number of ways of okay, to construct 3 subsets of this set with replacement is sure. With replacement, right? Okay, so 3 subsets create. उनको नाम देने की क्या आई डोंट नो मे बी नाम देने होंगे ओके तो जैसे ए बी सी सबसेट्स क्रिएट कर रहे हो राइट एग्जैक्टली सो exactly one okay okay condition as well so parallel subsets have exactly one common element ओके तो वो जो एलिमेंट है वो सब में डाल दो लाइक नंबर ऑफ वेज ऑफ चूजिंग दैट एलिमेंट इज जस्ट 5 ओके और अब जो 4 बचे हुए एलिमेंट्स है उनको तुम्हें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना चाहिए दैट दे आर नॉट कॉमन राइट और हो सकता है कि वो एलिमेंट ना ही हो इसमें तो हर एलिमेंट का इसमें कितनी चॉइसेस रहेगी या तो वो सेट ए में जाएगा सेट सी में या फिर वो कहीं नहीं जाएगा विच मीन्स कि 4 चॉइसेस 4 एलिमेंट्स को 4 power 4 राइट तो लाइक व्हाट 2 power 8 times 5 जो भी है या राइट 256 16 square yes that has a 5 or you can just do this thing 2 power 7 times 10 okay so like 1280 I guess that is the thing so 1280 the subsets have exactly one common element right this should be the thing right और कैसे हो सकता है I don't get it exactly one common element हाँ तो at least one element तो आ ही चुका है common it's like subset is this proper subsets or what I don't think proper subsets चाहिए अपने को okay like make a choice रहने वाली है and then this may will not be there right exactly one common element yeah this must be the thing okay so B if union of these subsets contains 3 elements okay union of these subsets contains 3 elements so what 3 elements okay that defines the whole combination right so पहले तुम 5C3 ways से वो चूज कर लो राइट अब वो तुमने 3 एलिमेंट्स चूज कर लिया अब तुम्हें उनको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है और हर एक एलिमेंट को कहीं ना कहीं तो जाना पड़ेगा और सोचा कि वो रिपीट भी हो जाए या ओके सो हो सकता है वो रिपीट हो सो लाइक हर एलिमेंट के उसमें कितने स्टेट्स हो सकते हैं एक तो सकता है कि वो यू नो एक में ही आए फिर वो 2 में आए फिर वो 3 में आए राइट या लाइक ओके तो हो सकता है वो ए में जाए फिर डी में जाए फिर सी में जाए लाइक उसे 3 स्टेट्स प्लस 2 में जाए एक साथ लाइक ओके फिर आप इस 3 स्टेट्स तीनों में जाए एक और स्टेट एग्जैक्टली ओके यूनियन ऑफ दीज 3 सबसेट्स किसने बोला कि वो सबसेट्स को डिफरेंट होना चाहिए राइट किसने बोला ये सो ओके मतलब कि हर एक के पास में ऐसा रहेगा गॉट इट कंटेन्स 3 एलिमेंट्स लाइक ये चीज एंड देन लाइक जस्ट 7 की पावर 3 बिकॉज 3 एलिमेंट्स रहेंगे राइट यूनियन तुमने यूनिक डिटरमाइन के लिए तो वो रिपीटेशन नहीं आएगा इसमें वी गारंटी दैट राइट या सो दिस शुड डू इट इनफैक्ट हर एलिमेंट के बारे में एक स्टेट रहेगा या सो वो यूनिकनेस आई जाएगी okay just figure this out like 5C2 is like 5 times 4 upon 2 which is 10 times 7 power 3 7 power is like 3430 okay yeah so B is correct if the subsets are pairwise disjoint what do you mean by that pairwise अच्छा हाँ A और B so set A set B में कुछ भी common नहीं है फिर set B और set B में कुछ common नहीं है got it so once again same thing कि कोई भी common element नहीं है then wait हाँ ना तो फिर राइट ओके शिट तो फिर ए जो ओके समझा अब एक जो अपना गलत हुआ सो जो ए था उसने अपन एक्चुअली कैसा किया कि अपन ने ए में पेयर वाइज वाला कर दिया ओके सो एक कॉमन एलिमेंट 5 ओके उसके बाद में अब हर एलिमेंट क्लास में जो कि इतने 4 एलिमेंट्स है उसमें स्टेट्स रहने वाले हो सकता है कि वो दो में जाए पर तीसरी में ना जाए, राइट? दैट इज ऑल्सो स्टेट इन फैक्ट। सो कैसा हो जाएगा वो कि 3 स्टेट्स बिकॉज ओके +1 बिकॉज कहीं भी ना जाए, लाइक 4 स्टेट्स ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं। ओके प्लस वो एलिमेंट इनफैक्ट सकता है कि 2 में चले जाए, मतलब ऐसे 3 तरह से हो सकते हैं, एंड देन लास्ट में 3 में जाने की स्टेट पॉसिबल है नहीं। एग्जैक्टली। सो इसमें 7 की पावर 4 इज वॉट दिस शुड हैव बीन। गॉट इट। So 7 power 4 is like okay, 343 times 7 something like 49 का स्क्वायर, 49 का स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर which is like 2500 फिर -100 plus 1 which is like 2401 and that has a 5 I guess which is क्या कर सकते हैं yeah like 12005. Oh हाँ, it actually somehow works out. Okay, सबसे pair wise disjoint, देन हर एलिमेंट के पास में क्या 4 रहने वाली है, राइट? एग्जैक्टली। एक्सेप्ट एक प्रॉब्लम रहेगी कि अगर वो राइट ओके गॉट इट लाइक 4 पावर एक एलिमेंट चाहिए, ठीक है ना? 4 पावर 5 दैट्स नंबर ऑफ वेज कि तुम उसको कर सकते हो। व्हाट इफ उसमें से कुछ सबसेट ऐसे हो जो कि नल हो जाए? या दैट्स काइंड ऑफ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड। सो ये तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी ना। सो इंक्लूजन एक्सक्लूजन आई गेस पेयर वाइज डिसजॉइंट at least one of these guys. I think हाँ तुम्हें वो इंक्लूजन एक्सक्लूजन से करना पड़ेगा। लाइक 4 पावर 5 नंबर ऑफ वेज की सबको भर सको इंक्लूडिंग जीरो, माइनस सपोज हमारा A0 हो गया, ऐसे 3 में से होने वाले लाइक 3 टाइम्स, फिर अपने 2 सेट को भरना है सिर्फ, राइट? विच इज लाइक अब तुम्हारा 3 चॉइसेस लाइक 3 पावर 5 एंड देन फिर प्लस तुम्हारे इसमें तीनों कितने जीरो हो गए, सो देन एक ही चॉइस होगी जस्ट 1, राइट? एक ही तरह से उसको भर सकते हो दैट एग्जैक्टली। नहीं नहीं, अच्छा पहले तो ये आएगा ना कि 2 सेट्स खाली हो गए, उसके लिए फिर 3 चॉइसेस +3 एंड दैट टाइम्स ऑफ 2 चॉइसेस, राइट? या जस्ट 2 पावर 5 एंड देन फिर फाइनली जस्ट 1 बिकॉज तीनों की तरफ खाली हो गए की तरीका हो सकता है। या दिस इज थिंग। ओके कैलकुलेटेड क्या हो जाएगा? 4 की पावर 5 प्लस 3 की पावर 6 प्लस 3 टाइम्स ऑफ 2 पावर 5 माइनस 1, और एक उसको 2 की पावर 10 भी बोल सकते हैं ना, आई गेस सो। इट्स लाइक 1024 माइनस 3 की पावर 6 लाइक 9 क्यूब 729, फिर ये चीज 30 टाइम्स 3 which is like 9 and 6, yeah it's 96 plus 96, yeah minus 1, right? Got it. So this is just 95 over there, so you know what, just leave it like that. ठीक है, इसको ऐड करो जस्ट 1 1 1 आएगा, जस्ट 1120 फिर -730 which is like 9 यहाँ पे आने वाला था, 390 and that's not this. Okay, हाँ अनएक्सपेक्टेडली वैसा नहीं हो रहा है। Just take a look at 5. Okay, that is the thing. For different for some reason. Okay, so C is not correct. ठीक है, and D is what? So उन्होंने सिर्फ okay 4 पावर 5 got it, तो वो इनकरेक्ट होगा। N equal to this thing if none of the 3 subsets is empty, है ना? तो okay got it, lucky, right? That's not so hard. So 8 power okay समझा। So every element can be in how many states, right? Something like that. और फिर ऐसे ऐसे देख सकते हो ना कि हर सेट के लिए तुम्हारे पास में क्या चॉइसेस रहेगी, कितनी चॉइसेस रहेगी स्टेट्स की। या दैट्स आल्सो वन वे व्हिच इज सो 5 इज लाइक 2 पावर 5 ऑन ऑफ टाइप, राइट? सो 2 पावर 5 बट दैट टाइम्स ऑफ व्हाट, ऐसे कितने 3 लाइक दैट 2 पावर 3 ऑफ कोर्स एंड दैट -1, इसमें वो एम्प्टी हो गए। या सो टी इज करेक्ट। दिस इज इट। सो आई सी यू नेक्स्ट वीडियो। बाय।